My name is Jack Davis, and I'm one of the mechanics here at Team One Automotive. Well, I come from a Ford dealership. I worked for Ford for about 3 years, and another independent before Team One. This place is a lot different because we work on all makes and models, a bunch of higher-end vehicles, and our owner, Nate Hayes, is really found upon us going and getting training all the time. So we're always constantly learning new things and striving to be better with all makes and models. The type of person that would want to work here would be someone that's driven, motivated to learn and improve and fix things right the first time. A person that would not want to work here would probably be somebody that's really lazy and does work that's not too nice or not too professional. They probably would not want to work here. My favorite thing of working at Team One would probably be just the work environment. The shop is really nice. We have a lot of nice things to work with. It's a very clean, professional environment. I don't have to worry about a dirty shop or dirty tools or whatnot. We have all the equipment and diagnostics tools that we could ever need, so it really makes working on items and working on things really easy. If you're thinking about applying at Team One, really just come in with an open mind and a professional attitude. We like to do work the best we can around here, so we want to keep a good shop environment and keep our workflow super nice and clean.